we thought that we'd show you guys how to book the JR Pass. Not that it's like a super tricky thing to do, but this is just going to be kind of like a step-by-step thing. Plus, we also need to book our JR Passes for the winter, so I thought I would do that now. If you go to our website or our YouTube channel and go to our Buying a JR Pass video, or even to the bottom of this video, there's a link down below. If you click on that, it'll bring you straight to the website where you can order your JR Pass. And we are going for, well, slightly more than 14 days, but we're going to buy 2 14-day passes. So I'm going to change that up to 2. And we're going to activate ours on like the first full day there, and then at the end we're just going to be in Tokyo, so we're not going to have JR Passes. But you can book it whatever one's closest to the amount of days you're staying. Go click to book. Now I'm going to fill in some information. Although, I guess you probably don't need to see this whole part. I can speed it up. The magic of television. And switch it to whatever country you are from. We are from the Canada. So there we are. Birthday. And we are going to use ours starting on February 3rd. I don't think it needs to be exact. It should just be when you plan to, because it won't actually start working until you go and activate it at a JR office. So you should try to like get it around the right date that you hope to be using it, but I don't think it really matters if it's exact. Same day. And it says here you can get like extra protection in case your trip's canceled. You can get a full refund. We're gonna just not do that and hope for the best. Eligibility. So just make sure you go through and make sure that you are eligible. You have to be one of 67 part of one of 67 countries where you get a visa on arrival for sightseeing. And you can only apply for this if you are a foreign national and you are on a tourist visa or a temporary visitor visa. So yes, we are eligible for that. Just click down here to say that you confirm that all the people are eligible to get the pass. And then next page, it asks you if you want to buy a pocket Wi-Fi, which you can get with your JR Pass, and then you can take it with you all around and you'll have Wi-Fi. We're not going to go for that. And also you can pre-arrange for somebody to like meet you at the airport and assist you and stuff if you want as well. We're not going to do that. Next step. Enter your delivery details. We're kind of cutting it a little bit short. I'm a little worried that our passes won't be here in time. But we are just outside of a month away from leaving, so hopefully they arrive in time. I would think they would, but as long as I put my address in correct. And then confirmation. So I am buying a 14-day pass. It's also really important that you put your name exactly like it shows up on your passport, because they do need your passport when you go to activate it, and it has to match exactly like what your passport says. So those are good to go. Delivery, oh, they charge delivery. But it's FedEx, so it should actually come in time. I agree. Agree. Proceed to payment. So in total, it's going to be $993 for the two of us. I am not going to show you my credit card number.
Smart.
Otherwise, I'll be buying a lot of other people's passes for them, I'm sure. Ooh, it's scary. Ready? Hit pay. Enjoy your trip. So it's as easy as that. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get like a confirmation email. I thought initially you had to book it and put your passport number in, but it doesn't seem like you have to at all. It is a little bit different than from the last time we did this, so yeah, it says to print this though. I obviously can't print it because I don't have a printer. I'm hoping I got an email, but I will double check and make sure I do. Yeah, I got an email saying that my JR Pass is on the way. Perfect. So now I should just get like a voucher in the mail, and then you bring that voucher with you when you go to Japan. Don't lose it. And then you bring that to one of the JR offices to activate your pass. But we'll show you that too when we do it ourselves in Japan in a month's time. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can give us a comment down below. But it's pretty straightforward. Excited to go to Japan. Are you?
I am.
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to use the link down below, we would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you're booking a ticket. And take luck, Cameron.